who it is, what it is. It's your girl, Miss Monroe, and I'm dropping nothing but bangers. Boom. Now, before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get into this video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are about to get into my natural hair care routine. And I know I have my wig on right now, but it's time to take my braids out and wash my hair. So I'm going to show you guys my routine. And today, I'll be using the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. And I'm also going to be using the Mielle Organics Babasu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. I like mint deep conditioners because they really you feel it in your scalp. So yes, also whenever I do my hair, I use my oil, the Magic Growth Oil. But today I'm actually going to be using another oil by Amyla Cosmetics. I'm going to show you guys the product. I just got it in the mail today. So I'm going to actually do a video where I track the results of my growth. But this is their hair growth serum. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. I'm just fresh opening it. Okay, this is wrapped up very, very good. Okay, here we go. So the directions says part hair into 4 sections, apply directly into your scalp, gently massage after application for 1 to 3 minutes, leave oil in and wash hair once a week or every 2 weeks. Use oil every day for better results. Their ingredients is coconut oil, carrot oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, almond oil, vitamin E, organic peppermint, and the methicone. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that, but that is how I did it. The packaging of this is also really, really cute. I believe this is black owned. This is the oil. I want to smell it. Oh, this smells good. So I'm gonna get into my hair care routine first. Well, I got some oil on my scalp and on my hands, and now it's just, yeah. So I'm about to get into my actual hair routine. So I'm not going to show you guys me taking out my braids because it's looking real ghetto under here. I'm gonna take my braids out and then come back to the camera. So I'm back with my hair unbraided now. I'm kind of aggravated because I can't find my pick, so I gotta use my the top part of my blow dryer to just brush through my hair and just detangle it a little. It's not even really tangled, but just to brush through it. So now we're about to just go and wash this. So I will probably narrate the background. I'm gonna come back in and blow dry my hair. And yeah, bro. So I will. Okay, y'all, so we're in the bathroom now. I'm not getting in the shower to do this. I do have a shirt under me and stuff. I'm just going to be washing my hair using this handy dandy tool that we have here. Yeah. And I'll more so just be washing it and then I'll illustrate things later. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is kind of a disclaimer, but I have to wash my hair a little bit more limited than what I would do at home because I'm in my dorm at school, and since I'm in my dorm at school, I can't like wholeheartedly get comfortable how I would normally wash my hair. But just to like tell you guys how I wash my hair, this is the fast way of me shortcutting it, but I start off by just wetting my hair really thoroughly. Normally I would be combing it out, but I just could not find my comb. But I put the shampoo in it. I scratch my hair, try to make sure I get the shampoo through and through. I put shampoo in my hair a couple times, and then I wash it out, and then put the deep conditioner in my hair, and then I let that deep conditioner sit in my hair for a good period of time so it can just go through my hair and I can really feel it in my hair follicles. I meant to say I could feel it in my scalp, but this is after letting it sit for a good period of time, and now I'm just washing it out, trying to get all of that product out of my hair now that my hair is washed. And like I said, y'all, this is the fast version of me washing my hair because most of the time I would probably let the deep conditioner sit longer than 10 minutes. I let it sit for 10 minutes just because I don't like to be in my school bathrooms for too long. But this is just the faster version. But now that I'm done, I'm drying my hair. Well, putting something in my hair so I can get back to my dorm so I can dry my hair. So yeah, in the next clip, I'm just gonna show you my hair and then how I just blow dry it. So I just got done washing my hair, and I wash my hair differently when I'm home. It's just I'm at school, so I can't wash it as well as I would like to. So right now I'm about to comb my hair out, not with this comb, but this is my brush blow dryer. So I'm gonna part it, blow dry it out, and then go more into it. But whenever I'm like straight out of the dryer, out of washing, I still put oil in it before I blow dry it. And I'm just putting in my Miss Monroe's Magic Growth oil. And I'm just putting it in like throughout my scalp. And I'm gonna massage it in. So now it's time to go piece by piece. So I'm parting the back. So we gonna fit what we can in the pony. So this is fine. This is the part that I have out. And because of the type of like brush this is, I don't comb it out beforehand. So after I finish blow drying my hair, I always take my Mighty Moisturizer and just put it in my hair. It's really moisturizing, but also it makes my hair really, really soft, and it's organic. So I put that in my hair after I blow dry it, and then just brush my hair out. Okay, so it's not blow dried the best it can be, but it's definitely blow dried pretty good. Now I'm about to just part my hair and start braiding it, because I am going to put my wig back on it. But this was just me more so like washing my hair, moisturizing it, oiling it, and now we're about to do a braid down and then oil that as well before we actually put the wig back on. So getting this middle part. And also I put this in my hair so my hair can stay moisturized. That's my moisturizer for my business, and it really just helps to like keep your hair hydrated. So I can't braid, by the way. This is more so just me doing like braids that are easy to me. Where did I put? I guess I could put both down. So I'm gonna let this lapse. Sorry, I keep changing location, guys, but I finally have my braids in. I know they're not good, not even the slightest bit, but that is what we got. So now I'm about to put my Amyla Cosmetics hair growth oil in my hair. And just put them throughout my parts. Also, I forgot to mention this, but I am going to do a 2-week update on this hair growth oil. So stay tuned for this product. So see how my hair was now in this video. And then in 2 weeks, I'm going to show you guys how my hair has grown from using the product consistently. So I have it in. Now we're going to massage. Oh, thick this up. Wow, let's see that. It's like, that's cool. I'm like massaging it and it's like buzzing and like going throughout my scalp in that way, which I think is super cool. So this is it. Perfect. So as you guys could tell, I put the wig back on over top. So we're done now. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.